Hey guys, in this video I will show you the top apps like Kik for chatting. Alright, let's begin. The first app is Telegram. It's fast, secure, and offers cloud-based messaging, so you can access your chats across multiple devices. It also supports large group chats and channels. Next is Signal. This app is known for its strong focus on privacy. All your messages, calls, and media are end-to-end encrypted, making it a great alternative if you want secure communication. At number 3, we have Viber. Besides regular messaging, Viber offers free voice and video calls with good quality. It also has communities and stickers, making chatting more fun. The fourth app is Line. It's very popular in Asia and combines messaging with social media features. Line lets you chat, call, share updates, and even play games within the app. Finally, there's Discord. While often used by gamers, Discord has expanded into a full social platform with servers, group chats, and voice channels, making it perfect for communities. So that's basically how you can use the top apps like Kik for chatting. That's it for this video. Thanks,